Hi, today we're showing you how to use the green screen.
For this we're going to need a green background and we're going to need to use this app here called Green Screen.
To use the green screen, you simply click on the app. On the top right of the screen, click on New Project. You'll notice 3 plus signs at the bottom right corner. The first plus sign here is for the image that you'll see first on the screen. The second plus sign is for the background. You can add the background from the gallery, so it can be a video or a photo. Let's add a background first. You can choose from videos or photos. I'm going to add a video. I can use any video previously uploaded on the iPad. It's also the same for the photos. I'm going to click on camera roll. I'm going to find my video. The newest video will be at the top. Because we've been learning about the vocab for the routine, we're going to click on this house here and it's going to have loads of different rooms, and at the end it's going to go to the school. We'll be able to say sentences like when you get up or what time you brush your teeth at. Now I'm going to click on done. We now have a background for the green screen and we just need to add the camera. To do this, click on the plus sign. The top plus sign is going to be used to see what is in front of the background. You click on here and then you press add the camera. Make sure to adjust it so people are in the frame. Now you press record video and a countdown will start.
Je m'habille à 7h20. Je me brosse les dents à 8h.
To stop the recording, press the square. Now we have 3 options. If you want to see the video, press play. If you want to save it to camera roll, you press save and then you click it to camera roll. If you don't like the video, you can always click done and then click discard. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.